Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to organize iCloud photos on PC. Use a step guide to organize iCloud photos on a Windows PC. First, turn on your Windows PC and connect to the internet. Open your preferred web browser, like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Go to iCloud.com. Sign in with your Apple ID and password. Complete two-factor authentication if prompted. On the iCloud dashboard, click the Photos app. Wait for your iCloud Photos library to load. Browse through your photos and videos in the library, then go to the left panel, then click on the album. To create an album, click the New Album. Type a name for the album and click Create. Now go to the section where your preferred photos are located. Choose a photo by right-clicking, then choose Add to Album. Once selected, click the Add to button and choose the album you just created. To delete unwanted photos, go to the newly created album, select them, and click the Trash in the top right. Repeat the process to create more albums, rename albums, or move photos around to keep your library organized. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.